How to turn off X-sensitive content settings. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open X on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen or top left corner of your screen. Then in here, click on Settings and Support at the bottom left corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Here, click on Privacy and Safety. Then you'll find Content You See, which is the third option. Click on it. You'll find Sensitive Media. Click on Sensitive Media. Then, click on Graphic Violence. Click on Never Show This. Make sure there is dot in Never Show This. Then go back and click on Adult Content. Click on Never Show This in here as well. Then go back, click on Other, and click on Never Show This at the bottom again. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off X-sensitive content setting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.